Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your project management with Asana, beginner guide step by step. Start by creating your Asana account if you haven't done so already. Visit the Asana website and click on the Get Started button. Fill in your email address and set up a password. Once you verify your email, you'll be prompted to create your first workspace. Choose a name for your workspace that reflects your project or team. Next, familiarize yourself with the Asana interface. Take note of the sidebar on the left where you'll find all your projects and tasks. Click on Create Project to initiate your first project. Select a template or start from scratch based on your needs. If using a template, check for options like Project Roadmap or Marketing Campaign. Name your project and choose its visibility setting. You can designate it as private or shared with your team. Add tasks to your project by clicking the Add Task button. For each task, include a clear title and detailed description. Assign tasks to team members by selecting their names from the drop-down menu. Set due dates to keep your project on track by clicking on the calendar icon. Use the Add Subtask feature for breaking down tasks into manageable parts. Organize your tasks by creating sections or columns based on their status. Utilize tags to help categorize tasks for easier tracking. To view project progress, switch to the calendar view or list view as needed. Encourage team collaboration by adding comments and file attachments to tasks. Use the dashboard to gain insights about project completion and team performance. Set up notifications to stay updated on project changes or task assignments. Finally, regularly review and update your project as work progresses. By following these steps, you'll enhance your project management skills with Asana effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.